Magandang araw! I will be sharing with you today itong MoneyTree. So you can build your retirement fund with MoneyTree. What is MoneyTree? MoneyTree is a single-pay, variable life insurance plan that maximizes your money's growth potential. So yung MoneyTree, available siya at a minimum one-time payment of 125,000 pesos. That is the minimum. Meaning, you can invest more than 125,000 pesos. And you can also do top-ups. So where is your money invested? Your money is being managed by PAMI or by Philam Asset Management Incorporated. First is the PAMI Philam Bond Fund. So where do investments go dito sa Philam Bond Fund? So investments for this fund goes to peso fixed income instruments. Recommended ito para sa mga conservative na client or yung ayaw mag-take ng risk masyado. The second one is the PAMI Philam Equity Index Fund. So, here, yung investment, it goes to Philippine equity securities but exclusive to the 30 largest stocks in the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. Recommended ito para sa mga moderate risk taker. The third one is the PAMI Philam Fund. So here, the investment for this fund goes to Philippine equity securities and fixed income instruments. Recommended naman ito sa mga client with balanced risk appetite. And the fourth one is the PAMI Strategic Growth Fund. For this fund, investments go to Philippine equity securities. Recommended naman ito para sa mga aggressive investors. There are also riders that can be attached dito sa MoneyTree. So the first one is the Accident and Health Rider. Accident and Health Rider, which can provide protection against accidents. You can get additional cash to use for serious accidental injuries, disabilities, or untimely death due to accident until age 72. Pwede rin lagyan ito ng critical illness rider. So yung critical illness rider, it provides protection against the financial impact of critical illness. You can get additional cash to help you recover from any of 56 covered major critical illnesses including cancer, heart attack, and stroke until age 75. And you can also attach a term insurance. Term insurance rider is an add-on to the permanent life insurance coverage given by MoneyTree. This rider provides annually renewable term insurance equal to the face amount, thereby increasing the cash death benefit to secure your family's future. Meron tayong 5 parts dito sa ating accident and health rider. First is the accidental loss of life. So it pays the principal sum when injury results in the loss of life of the insured within 180 days after the accident. Dito sa ating example, yung face amount is 1 million pesos. So halimbawa at age 40, yung insured namatay siya due to an accident within 180 days from date of accident, so the beneficiaries will receive 2 million pesos. Part 2, the accidental dismemberment and loss of use. It pays a percentage of the principal sum according to schedule in case of accidental dismemberment or loss of use. So ito yung sample schedule of benefits. Part 3 is the accidental permanent and total disability. So it pays a monthly cash benefit equal to a percentage of remaining principal sum for 33 months starting on the 7th month of continuous permanent and total disability. Meron ding aggregate benefits for Part 1, Part 2, and Part 3. It shall not exceed the principal sum. May aggregate benefits din for Parts 2 and 3 with respect to one or more accidents in any policy year. Dapat hindi rin ito mag-exceed sa principal sum. Part 4, dun sa medical reimbursement, it reimburses actual medical expenses up to a specified amount selected provided the treatment begins within 30 days from date of accident. Part 5, or the weekly income benefit, it pays weekly income benefit up to a maximum of 26 weeks in case of temporary disability within 90 days from the date of accident. It also has a special major accidental dismemberment or loss of use. It pays additional 25% of the principal sum if insured suffers an injury which results in any of the following. So, accidental dismemberment or loss of use of both hands, accidental dismemberment or loss of use of both feet, accidental dismemberment or loss of use of one hand and one foot, or loss of sight of both eyes. And it also has a coverage limitation for murder. It provides 100% of principal sum up to a maximum of 2 million in case of murder. On critical illness rider naman, so halimbawa, yung insured natin ay age 35, male, tapos yung kanyang single premium is 500,000 pesos. Ang minimum death benefit nun is 625,000 pesos because that is the 125% of single premium. And yung kanyang major critical illness coverage is 250,000 pesos, which is 50% of his single premium. For example, our insured at age 50 na-diagnose siya ng cardiomyopathy. So, the insured will receive 250,000 pesos and the policy remains in force. At age 70, the insured dies. If the account value at age 70 is 3.5 million pesos, then that amount will be given to the beneficiary and then the policy terminates. Here are the 56 critical illnesses covered under MoneyTree. On term insurance naman, same example, insured age 35, male, single premium 500,000, minimum death benefit is 625,000, major critical illness coverage 250,000, and the term insurance coverage is 500,000. Age 50, the insured was diagnosed with cardiomyopathy. The insured will receive 250,000 pesos. At age 70, the insured dies. So, if the account value at age 70 is 3.5 million pesos and there is a term rider coverage of 500,000 pesos, the total death benefit will be 4 million pesos. That will be given to the beneficiary and the policy terminates. In one of my ads, ito yung nakalagay, no? So, grow your money with Peso MoneyTree. So, yung insured natin dito is 40 years old, female, and yung single pay investment niya is 200,000 pesos. Then, she opted to have this additional coverage of 250,000 pesos for the guaranteed basic coverage, 250,000 pesos for accident and health with medical reimbursement up to 20,000, 200,000 pesos for term insurance, and 100,000 pesos for critical illness. When she reached the age of 70, based dun sa 10% fund growth assumption, yung kanyang investment would be 3,10,780 pesos. It's a good amount of money to fund your retirement. If you want to start building your retirement fund, you can get in touch with me now. You can get in touch with me sa aking Facebook page na 100 Life Goals PH, or you can also comment sa video na ito and I'll get in touch with you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Once again, thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and God bless!